All right, Rob Fraser here. 4 reasons why I added content marketing pros to my instant cash strategy. So basically, for the longest time, I've been kind of struggling with social media, what to post. I feel like I'm always saying the same things. And I just kind of got off of social media, and I almost just stepped away from affiliate marketing. Not stepped away from affiliate marketing, but just doing the videos, different things like that. Even if you follow my YouTube channel, my biggest struggle lately has been consistency. And the reason why is because I feel like I'm saying the same thing. I already said the same thing. I did 10,000 other videos saying the exact same thing. Okay, I'm exaggerating. I did a couple of other videos, and yeah, I just kind of, I don't know, I guess you could call it getting burnt out. Um, but anyway, it's not too often that something comes along that I actually feel that is actually a decent, solid, real world product. And everything in affiliate marketing will teach you how to market. Okay, I shouldn't say that, but there's different levels of value, if you will. Anyways, 4 reasons why I joined Content Marketing Pros. Number one, the daily pay model. I love getting paid daily. When you have the ability to create daily cash flow in your business, it speeds up everything. It speeds up the process. That was my whole claim to fame back with the broke man's plan and the revenue sharing models and things like that. I was always a big proponent of using that daily pay to live off of, put it in your pockets, and also to use to fuel your business. And so the more you do that process, the more your pockets get fatter and the more your business gets fatter. Number two, it's a daily pay model, but you're not in competition with people you sponsor. This is huge. The number 2 reason why I love Content Marketing Pros. In the past, you join a program, it's an instant pay type program, but the person you sponsor is now indirectly your competitor. Whereas here, it's not the case because it's a leveraged model, just like the 6-figure blueprint, the marketing system that I use for this. When you sponsor somebody, when they make a sale, you get a nice chunk of change. So it's when I make a sale, my sponsor gets a nice chunk of change. I get a nice chunk of change. My sponsor gets a matching nice chunk of change. And the same way down the line. So there's incentive to help your people. So it's not just, hey, I join you in this program. Now me and you got to buy traffic or do videos talking about the same exact program, and we're in direct competition. Whereas here, we're not. We're actually working together because if I make a sale, you make a sale. If you make a sale, if I make a sale, my sponsor makes a sale. If you make a sale, I make a sale. So, things like the traffic rotators and things like that actually will benefit the people running them, right? Because I used to do traffic rotators, but it's when other people get a sale, it doesn't help me, and I'm the one spending money on traffic and the other folks aren't. Whereas this, you don't have that problem. Number 3, the training. From the AI training, the Faceless training, to the daily plans of operation. There's all sorts of different training here. Daily success blueprint. You have the viral videos that you could just download and do some little work to them and upload them to make those videos your own. You can when the AI training alone, because I was always hitting a brick wall. What do I say? Now I could just go to chatbot, rewrite the words, put in a prompt. Hey, take this post and rewrite it 50 times. Make it sound like this, make it sound like that, so I don't have to burn my own noggin out trying to come up with content. And you'll get that training here. It'll tell you, it goes over a lot. I spent $5,000 on a high-level marketing course from a high-level marketer that everyone knows. I'm not going to say his name, but, if you can think of a certain Michael Jackson song, you know his name. One of the big Michael Jackson songs where he first did the moonwalk, you'll know the guy's name. But anyways, this training is very, very close to that one, and you're paying a fraction of the price here. And you can get affiliate commissions promoting this training. So, I'm just saying the training is really solid. It's not just how to promote BizOps, how to promote Content Marketing Pros. You can use it for anything. He goes into what kind of cameras, what kind of light, all sorts of different things that you wouldn't think about, if you're in affiliate marketing. Lastly, to support a Facebook group. Reason number four. He's always doing Steve and Rachel, the guy who created this whole thing, put it all together. He's always doing Facebook Lives. He's always doing updates. The past couple days he updated the daily success blueprint, the viral videos, the pre-made ads, the marketing calendar. So like me, if you're like, oh man, what the heck do I post today? What do I talk about today? He has different trainings to help you get over that hump, which was my problem. That's why, my consistency fell off my YouTube. And that's one of my biggest regrets is starting and stopping when I started creating content. Content's free marketing. A lot of people, they don't want to do solo ads. They don't want to, content marketing is free marketing. So a lot of people want the free traffic, but they don't know how to do it. And this will give you the daily steps on how to do it, how to create content so that you can get more leads for whatever it is you're promoting. It doesn't matter what it is you're doing, whether you got an offline business, like I'm starting to get into handyman work, whether you do an affiliate marketing, no matter what. Even if you want to do your own agency, you can take this information and go out in your local community and promote a local business. And this information is extremely solid and it will help you. So anyway, wrapping this video up, name's Fraser. I'm going to put 2 links below. I'm going to put the replicated Content Marketing Pros marketing link below, and then I'm also put my 6-figure blueprint capture page below. I promote this with the 6-figure blueprint, because I've been having some issues with Aweber and I'm working on my Get Response autoresponder account. So I'm using 6-figure blueprint. Links will be in the description. Name's Rob Fraser. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!